How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Now to do that, click right here on your gear icon and scroll on to the very bottom. And then until you can see this, so head over and then click on the help option. Let's click on this self center right here. We have in here this support and feedback as well. Click on this help center option and then it will load you to your help center. So you can head over and then just contact Snapchat. So scroll down right here until you can see this sites for Snapchat. Or alternatively, you can also search for their contact, which is customer care at snapchat.com. From in there, just head over to your Gmail and then compose a new one. Then let's put in here contact or customer care Snapchat. You can also put in your help at snapchat.com. So let's put that. And then let's add as a recipient. And then just compose your email right around here. I recommend you to use something like this one. So we have in here this. I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to request assistance. Just copy this right here. And then you should be able to just wait for Snapchat to unlock your account. So that's how you unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Hope you help.